Hello, my name is Ron Zazadinsky with CodeGeek.net. This is a demo of a website designed and implemented using responsive web design techniques. The purpose of responsive web design is to develop one website that is programmed to transform to the continuum of devices that are currently used to view websites, from smartphones to tablets to laptops to full-width desktop browsers. When programmed using responsive web design techniques, as the viewport is narrowed or smaller devices are used, the content naturally flows and transforms to adapt to the device viewing the website. The idea is that you never have to scroll horizontally. The viewing experience is always optimized for the device in use. With Frameworks Timber, we began with an approach called Mobile First, taking into account the smartphone form factor first. So if we take a look at the stewardship page, for example, you'll see that the content is optimized for reading on small devices. Then, as we scale the viewport or the device larger, the content continues to flow so that when we get to tablet-sized devices, again, the entire width of the content area is available for reading the content, giving a very good reading experience. As we get to wider browser widths, we have more real estate, and so then we add a left-hand sidebar for navigation. Notice this isn't absolutely necessary, we're just taking advantage of the additional real estate. These links are all available under the About drop-down menu to begin with, but by having them displayed here as a persistent left side nav, it makes it very easy at a glance to see all the content available within this section. Notice how the image naturally continues to scale larger as we make the viewport wider and wider and wider. Even at very wide browser widths, the website looks wonderful. Now let's take a look at the portfolio page. Here we see a grid of thumbnails and titles for all the projects available on the Frameworks Timber website. As we narrow the width of the web browser, we'll see that the images automatically scale so that all the available thumbnails stay in view within the available width of the browser. When we get down to tablet widths, we remove the left-hand navigation bar to leave more room to view the thumbnails. And finally, when we get all the way down to mobile widths, we completely change the layout of this one website so that we have just a thumbnail image on the left and the title of the project on the right, and the entire area is a clickable button. In this video, I demonstrated how a website implemented using responsive web design techniques can be programmed so that it transforms to any device that's being used to view the website. This gives an optimal experience for all website visitors using just a single website. I hope you've enjoyed this demo. The designer for this project was Kendra Spanier. All programming is performed by CodeGeek.net. Thank you for watching. You can find us on the web at CodeGeek.net.